Hello friends, this is AJ from MS Excel by AJ. Today we will be discussing about Sumif function of Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. Sumif function is used to sum the values of cells in a range that meets criteria that is specified by you. In Sumif function we can only use one criteria to add the cells in a range. Now let us look at the syntax of Sumif function. This is the syntax of Sumif function. It has only three parameters to be entered, namely range, criteria and sum range, each separated by a comma. Now what is range? It is nothing but the range of cell that you want to get evaluated based on a criteria. Cells in each range can either be a number, name, array or references that contains a number. Within a range, if a cell is blank or having no value, then it gets ignored automatically. What is criteria? Criteria defines which cells to be added in a range that has been selected. Criteria can be expressed as number, expression, text, date or even a cell reference. We can even use wildcard characters such as question mark or an asterisk. A question mark helps us to match single character, whereas an asterisk helps us to match a sequence of characters from a range that has been selected. Now, the final parameter, sum range. Sum range are the actual cells to add if corresponding cells in the range match the criteria such as C2 through C6. The square brackets around sum range indicates that the final parameter is an optional parameter. If sum range is not used, then the cells in the range are both evaluated by the criteria and added if they match the criteria. Now, as we have understood what is SUMIF, its syntax and parameters, let's try it out in Excel. In this Excel, we will be solving four examples. Example 1 and example 2 are based on table 1, whereas example 3 and example 4 are based on table 4. Let us solve example 1. We have to find out sum of product values above $15,000. Let us begin. Equal to sum if opening parenthesis, select the range, that is B4 through B11 since it falls under product value column, comma, criteria in quotes. In this case criteria is greater than $15,000. Enter. And the sum of product values above $15,000 is $555,000. Now have a look at the formula. In SUMIF formula, generally there are three parameters, third one being optional. Hence, we have omitted the third parameter, that is sum range. The cells in the range B4 through B11 both are evaluated with the criteria. The cells are evaluated with the criteria. And if it matches with the criteria, then we add the cell. That is, if B4 is greater than $15,000, then we add it. B5 is greater than $15,000, then we add it. So on and so forth. Now let us solve example 2. In example 2, we have to find out sum of margin of products with product value above $15,000. Let us begin. Equal to sum if we have to find out product value above $15,000. So our range is B4 through B11, comma, criteria in quotes, again greater than $15,000, comma, in this case we have to define sum range because we have to find out sum of margins. So sum range will be C4 through C11. Enter. So we have sum of margin of products with product value above 15,000 as $83,250. In this case, if B4 is greater than $15,000, then add C4. B5 is greater than $15,000, then add C5. So on and so forth. Okay. In both the examples, example 1 and example 2, we solved just now. The criteria was expressed as an expression, that is greater than $15,000. Okay. Now let us solve example based on table 2. In example 3, the criteria is expressed as a text value, whereas in example 4, the criteria is in a form of a wildcard character and asterisk. Okay. Now let us solve example 3 first. In example 3, we need to find out sales of fruits. Equal to sum if, select the range, in this case A16 through A24, comma, criteria, in quotes, the criteria is fruits, comma, select the sum range, in this case C16 through C24, and enter. The sales of fruits is $474. Now in this example, if you look at range, we need to compare A16 with the criteria, A16 to A24 with the criteria. If A16 is equal to fruits, then add C16. If A17 is equal to fruits, then add C17. If A18 is equal to fruits, then add C18, so on and so forth. Okay. Now let us solve example 4. In example 4, we need to find out sales of items ending with ES as last character or sequence. Let us find it out. Equal to sum if, opening parenthesis, select the range, in this case B16 through B24, comma, criteria in quotes, in this case criteria will be asterisk ES, comma, and the sum range, in this case C16 through C24. Enter. Sales of items ending with ES is $254. In this example, last two characters of value in cells B16 is compared with the criteria ES. Okay, and if the criteria and the last two characters of cell B16 matches, then add C16. Again, the criteria is matched with the last two characters in the cell B17, and if it matches, then add C17, and so on. Okay. So friends, that is it from my side on Sumif function. If you think this video is helpful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also request you to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you and take care.